Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, New Car Info. Today, we have something truly extraordinary to talk about: the 2025 Rolls-Royce Motorhome. This is the ultimate blend of luxury and adventure, taking Rolls-Royce's signature craftsmanship and elegance and merging it with the freedom of a high-end motorhome. If you've ever dreamed of traveling in absolute luxury, this is the vehicle that makes it a reality. From the outside, the 2025 Rolls-Royce Motorhome is nothing short of breathtaking. It carries the iconic Rolls-Royce design language, with a massive front grille, the spirit of ecstasy ornament leading the way, and sleek, sculpted bodywork that exudes class. The exterior is a perfect balance of power and refinement, featuring hand-polished aluminum accents and a selection of the finest paint finishes, customizable to any preference. The large panoramic windows not only provide a stunning view, but also add to the grandeur of the vehicle's presence. The LED lighting system is seamlessly integrated, illuminating the road with a distinct and commanding presence. The streamlined aerodynamics, despite its size, enhance efficiency while maintaining the unmistakable Rolls-Royce identity. Step inside and you are greeted with a level of luxury that only Rolls-Royce can provide. The interior is a masterpiece of craftsmanship, featuring the finest leather upholstery, exquisite wood veneers, and hand-stitched detailing throughout. Every surface is carefully curated to create an environment of pure opulence. The cabin is exceptionally spacious, designed to provide the ultimate comfort for long journeys. The motorhome includes a lavish living area with plush seating, ambient lighting, and a state-of-the-art entertainment system. The handcrafted wooden panels, soft carpets, and customizable LED mood lighting ensure an atmosphere that is both relaxing and sophisticated. The kitchen is a chef's dream, fully equipped with high-end appliances, including a built-in espresso machine, a premium induction cooktop, and a wine cooler. The marble countertops and custom cabinetry enhance the luxurious feel, making meal preparation a delightful experience. The dining area features an elegant table with handcrafted finishes, offering a perfect space for fine dining on the road. The bedroom is nothing short of a 5-star suite, with a king-size bed wrapped in the finest silk and cashmere bedding. Rolls-Royce's commitment to comfort extends to the sleeping area, ensuring a restful night's sleep no matter where you are. There is ample storage, with custom wardrobes and hidden compartments that maximize space without compromising aesthetics. The bathroom is designed like a personal spa, featuring a rainfall shower, premium fixtures, and exquisite marble surfaces. Every detail has been carefully crafted to create a sanctuary of relaxation. Under the hood, the 2025 Rolls-Royce Motorhome is powered by a formidable V12 engine, delivering smooth yet powerful performance. The advanced suspension system ensures a ride that is as smooth as a Rolls-Royce sedan, making long-distance travel effortless. Despite its size, the vehicle handles with precision, thanks to an adaptive air suspension and intelligent, all-wheel drive system. The cutting-edge technology provides a seamless driving experience, with an advanced AI-assisted navigation system that optimizes routes for comfort and efficiency. The noise insulation is top-notch, creating a serene driving experience where the outside world feels miles away. Technology plays a major role in enhancing the overall experience. The motorhome is equipped with a fully integrated smart system, allowing voice and touchscreen control over climate settings, entertainment, lighting, and security. The high-definition digital dashboard provides real-time information, while the head-up display ensures the driver remains focused on the road. The entertainment system features a premium surround sound setup, creating an immersive experience for both drivers and passengers. Connectivity is seamless, with 5G internet capabilities and wireless charging stations throughout the cabin. When it comes to pricing, exclusivity comes at a cost. The 2025 Rolls-Royce Motorhome is expected to have a starting price well above $2 million, depending on customizations and additional features. Rolls-Royce offers an extensive personalization program, allowing buyers to tailor every aspect of the motorhome to their unique preferences. From bespoke color combinations to personalized embroidery and hand-painted details, every motorhome is a one-of-a-kind masterpiece. This is not just a vehicle. It is a statement of luxury, craftsmanship, and ultimate travel comfort. Rolls-Royce has redefined the motorhome experience, combining their legendary quality with the freedom of the open road. Whether you're looking for an elegant way to explore, or simply want the most luxurious RV ever created, the 2025 Rolls-Royce Motorhome sets a new standard. That's all for today's video. If you enjoyed this look at the future of luxury travel, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe to New Car Info for more incredible automotive content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.